Hey, what's going on, compadre? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Jeff Amen here. All right, so wanted to make this quick little short video about what I believe is the best affiliate marketing system ever. All right, I know that's a bold statement, but I've been online now for over 10 years, and I've been full-time now since 2018, and I really haven't seen anything like this. I'm getting some insane results. And what is even more cool about this program is that what this is going to do, it's going to build a recurring income for you. So it's going to build an income that you can continue to build on. It's based around a over 10-year-old company. And so it pretty much has everything. It has the conversions. There's nothing that is converting like this. So that means that the time that you do spend on this is going to, it's going to give you the maximum amount of value, because you're going to be, the conversions are so good when you do promote this and you send traffic to this, which I'm going to teach you how to do when you join my team. But when you do that, you're going to get the maximum amount of value. Now, recurring commissions is like the holy grail of any business. You want to have those recurring commissions coming in month after month after month. That way, if something, God forbid, were to happen to you or to your business or anything, and you couldn't work for a month or two or whatever, let's say you came down with COVID or whatever, you couldn't work, those commissions would still be coming in. There's a lot of other business models that aren't based around recurring income. And when that happens, every single month, you feel this pressure on you. Like you have to make sales. If you don't make sales, then the money isn't going to come in. But when you have a recurring income model in your business, then it just makes you sleep better at night. And you can continue to build month after month, and that income keeps going up. But you have to have a very, very good product. All right. You have to have a very, very good product that people are going to want to pay for each month. And that's why this is such a fantastic opportunity. All right. So this is based around BuilderAll. BuilderAll is a tool that everybody needs online. Now, I've been my last couple of videos, I've been going over I've been going over some of my commissions with BuilderAll. As you can see here, just a little over 2 months I've been involved, and my earnings estimate in recurring income for next month is over $3,000, which is awesome. That's recurring income. All right. So BuilderAll is a tool that every internet marketer needs online. It's going to help you build your websites. It's going to help you do email marketing. It's going to do push notifications. I mean, you can just come here and you can look at every single one of the apps. It's just amazing. All the apps that you have here available. So when people join BuilderAll and they start building their business around BuilderAll, nobody's going to want to quit, because people already have, like myself, I would not want to ever quit BuilderAll. One, because I'm making awesome commissions, and of course, and all it's really cool. But the product is actually useful, and it's something I use every month in my business. So that is paramount if you're going to want to have recurring commissions in your business. You need to have a product that continues to get updated and that people will want to use month after month. So that's number one. But I haven't really shown you the part of the business that is also earning me an additional thousands of dollars per month, and that is called the Rapid Profit Machine. I haven't showed you really the commissions there, because the Rapid Profit Machine is what ties everything together. That is a whole lead generation machine. And so the BuilderAll commissions just come in on autopilot in the background. But I'm also making a ton of commissions with the Rapid Profit Machine. And the Rapid Profit Machine is built right on top of BuilderAll. So when you join the Rapid Profit Machine, you're going to be able to import it directly into BuilderAll. And it's for free. There is an upgraded pro version, but if you'd like to just come in and start out for free, that's perfectly fine. But I'm going to show you what Rapid Profit Machine can do for you as well. So as I mentioned, in the first couple of months, already, over $3,000 in recurring with BuilderAll. But as you can see in the last couple months, August and September, let's look at all these commissions that are coming in. All right. And all these values that you see are 26, 24, 26, 24. There's 87, 267, 87, 26. All the 26s are the pro memberships, and so those are recurring. Those are recurring monthly income payments that are coming in. All right, so as you can see, there's multiple of these on any given day. 5, 3, 4, 2, 4, 10. Those are monthly recurring, guys. 7, and it just keeps on going. Pretty much every single day, there's another recurring payment that is coming. 15, 15, 16 yesterday. I'm making this on the 28, 3 so far today. These are recurring monthly income payments that are coming in every single month. All right. And so now you can see the additional income that's coming in. So it's around $3,000 recurring with BuilderAll that this has started generating me just within about a little over 2 months. But it's also at least another $2,000, probably plus $2,000, $2,100, $2,200 in recurring income that's coming in from the Rapid Profit Machine. So at least over $5K in recurring income right now that is coming in from one system. Once you get it's multiple streams of income, but it's one system. So the only thing that you need to focus on doing, basically 2 things, and that is lead generation. Focus on lead generation every single day, and you're going to start seeing commissions coming in because of the Rapid Profit Machine funnel. And then follow up. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do all that on the team training page. The RPM already has follow up involved. It already has done for you follow up. So essentially, basically your number one job, and this is why I call it the easiest affiliate marketing system ever, is because your only job is not to juggle 1,000 different things. It's to focus on lead generation. That's it. That's the one thing that you need to get good at, is lead generation. Now, inside the Rapid Profit Machine, you're going to have all these done for you sources. On my team training page, you're going to have all these done for you. You're going to have training that's going to show you how you can get leads, either free or paid methods. But you need to focus on generating leads. And if you can do that, there's businesses out there, they focus on a million different things, and it makes it hard because you got to focus on conversions and you got to focus on just a million different things. But all you have to do is focus in on lead generation here with the Rapid Profit Machine, because everything else is done for you. The conversions are already done. As you can see, the conversions are off the chart, absolutely off the chart with this affiliate system. So yeah, that's why I say it's the easiest affiliate marketing system ever. I would definitely recommend click the link in the description. All right, you're going to come through. You're going to eventually get to a page like this. You're going to jump on my newsletter. You can come to a page like this. You can see in the first 30 days, over $3,300 in recurring commissions. I just showed you right now, a little over 2 months. We're looking at over $5,000 in recurring commissions, on track to take this to 6 figures per year in less than 6 months. And it's all because I'm focusing on lead generation, and I just am using the RPM because the RPM works. So that is pretty much it. You're going to get the entire overview. Now, this was just kind of like a little brief overview of what the Rapid Profit Machine is. You're going to get a total overview on this page here. So enter in your best information, get on my newsletter, click the link in the description or below this video, wherever you're watching this, and then go watch this video here. All right, very important video. It's going to go over everything for you, and it's going to show you how literally this can be, or this is, in my opinion, the best affiliate marketing system ever, guys. All right. All you need to do is you need to focus. You need to focus. You need to focus on lead generation every single day and just do what the Rapid Profit Machine was designed to do. So not only are you going to get access to my team training page, you're going to get access to a Facebook group, the Rapid Profit Machine Facebook group, close to 6,000 members now, guys, 6,000 members. Literally thousands of people have made money in that group with the Rapid Profit Machine. The only people that aren't making money here with this affiliate system are people that simply don't take action. All right. So get involved with the group. Um, and you're also going to get a free bonus from me, free lifetime traffic and leads. I'm going to help you get kickstarted every single day. Excess traffic that I have, I'm going to be sending to my team members, and nobody else is offering that. That kind of bonus is crazy. People simply don't give away traffic, but I'm getting enough traffic, and I'm going to teach you how to do that as well. I'm getting enough traffic. I want to share it with my team members. That way I can get you into success as fast as possible, because I know that if you start succeeding, you're going to want to hang around, and you're going to want to make this work for the long haul. And that's what's great about this program as well, guys. If I make money, you make money. Or if you make money, I make money, excuse me. So it's in my best interest to do everything possible for me to help you succeed. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what James Neville Taylor, the creator of the Rapid Profit Machine, is doing. That's why he puts in so many hours every single day. And I put in a lot of effort myself to help you in any way I can. That way you can start seeing results like this, guys. You can start seeing these massive monthly commissions that are coming in every single month. And I mean, that's life-changing income, all right, in a very, very quick period of time. And you're going to be, if you plug in and if you focus, you're going to be able to see similar results. You just got to act on it. You just got to be diligent. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right. So once again, in my opinion, this is the best affiliate marketing system I have ever seen in my career online. And click the link in the description, jump on my newsletter, grab my bonuses, partner up with us. I'll give you access to everything you need to where you can just start getting plugged in. You can start doing the lead generation, and then money comes out the other side. All right, that's all I got. Have a fantastic one.